A very warm greetings to you all. Today, I do not speak to you as an individual. Today, I stand before you as a land of over a billion dreams. Today, my name is India. I am ancient, yet I am young. I am the holy waters of the Ganges, the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas, and the vast golden sands of the Thar. My history is not written merely in textbooks. It is carved into the stones of the Taj Mahal, the caves of Ajanta, and the majestic forts of Rajasthan. For thousands of years, I have been a sanctuary for humanity. When the world was divided, I preached the philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. I gave birth to profound wisdom, to yoga, and to major world religions. But my journey has not always been smooth. I have known the pain of chains. I have seen my wealth plundered and my freedom stolen. Yet I did not break. It's because within my soil lay the unbreakable spirit of my children. I am the land of Ashoka's peace, Akbar's vision, Shivaji's courage, and Jhansi Ki Rani's fierce defiance. When the night was darkest, my people united. From the non-violent marches of Mahatma Gandhi to the fiery revolutions of Bhagat Singh, my children fought, bled, and won back my freedom. Today, look at me. I am no longer just a chapter in history. I am a leader of the future. I am the scientist launching rockets to the moon and Mars. I am the youth driving global technology, medicine, and art. I am the vibrant spirit of a cricket stadium, the color of Diwali, and the melody of 1,000 languages spoken under one single sky. My greatest strength is not my military power or my economy, it is my diversity. Nowhere else on earth do so many cultures, faiths, and traditions dance together in harmony. I am a beautiful mosaic held together by the thread of unity. But as I look to the future, I still face challenges. Poverty, inequality, and division sometimes cloud my skies. I shiver, but I do not lose hope because my future rests in your hands, the youth. Every time you choose kindness over hatred, progress over stagnation, and unity over division, you make me stronger. I am your past, I am your present, and with your hard work, I will be the brightest future. Protect my honor, celebrate my diversity, and carry my name with pride. Thank you. Jai Hind.